Hey guys, welcome back to Yilan app. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Wizz app not letting me log in. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So there are numerous ways to fix this issue. So one of them is to make sure that the Wizz app is fully updated. In this case, go ahead and open up Google Play Store here and you want to look for the Wizz app. So go to your search at the top here, just type in Wizz. And from here, if you see an update button, make sure to click on it to update the actual app. Now, once the app is updated, you can go ahead and open it up and see if that solves your issue. Now, in this case, if that doesn't solve your issue, there are a few things that you need to check here first. So first is make sure that your internet connection is actually stable. Sometimes having an unstable internet connection can interrupt the app itself, not letting you log in. So in this case, if you're using a mobile data or if you're using your mobile data, switch to a Wi-Fi connection and see if that solves the issue. Or vice versa, you could go ahead and switch over to a mobile data if you're using your Wi-Fi. Now, in this case, if you're sure that your Wi-Fi connection is not the cause of this problem, the next thing you want to do here is you want to clear your cache. Now, if you're not aware yet, your cache are temporary files that is stored on your mobile device, and each app has those. In this case, look for the Wizz app here, press and hold on it, click on app info, and here at the bottom right, go and click on clear all data. And from here, you want to choose the option that says clear cache. Now, in this case, if you don't see the clear cache option here, you could go ahead and skip this one, but you could also choose the delete all data option here if you want to. Just click on OK. But just to give you a warning, if you choose the delete all data here, this will actually delete all the data that you have on that app. So meaning the app itself will be resetted back to its original state, meaning your account will not be logged in and you need to really log in and do a few things like verify yourself and those things. But yeah, so those are the things that you could do here to probably solve this issue, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Yilan app. Thank you for watching.